Protect your brand and stop copycats. Here's how Amazon Brand Registry really works. And Amazon Brand Registry, in a few words, it's a program that proves to Amazon you're a legit seller and the owner of the brand you sell. So that way Amazon's going to trust you more and they're going to give you a lot of different things. So if you go into Amazon, they're actually going to show you what you get for this. You can see build a brand, you can view your registered brands, but what we're going to do is scroll down. We're going to see all of the benefits that they have, and you can see all of these benefits of just being brand registered. So they're going to give you A+ content brand story. You can do special ads called sponsored brands, posts. You get access to special brand analytics, brand metrics, Amazon Vine, so you can enroll your product to get reviews ethically. You can contact customers who leave bad reviews, A+ content. You can get a brand store, tons of different things. Amazon Live, right? Premium A+ content, brand referral bonus. You can do experiments, A to B test. So there's just so many different things. And of course, you can report people to Amazon who are violating your trademark, your patent, your copyright, that are selling fakes. And Amazon even has a counterfeit crimes unit that will arrest people, which is crazy. So you have access to all of these benefits. It looks like there's over at least 30 benefits, right? So these are definitely something that you want to look into. Now, to get started in this, all you're going to do is go to Google and just type in Amazon Brand Registry. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down and it should be the one that says brandregistry.amazon.com. You're going to go here and sign up. This is different than Amazon.com. This is different than Amazon Seller Central. This is its own separate platform because Amazon wants it to be separate. Once you're in, you're going to have access to a lot of different things. It's going to look similar to this, where you have at the top, manage, protect, monitor, support. But you can go under protect, and this is where you can report listings. So you can see report a violation. And all you have to do is put the ASIN that you want to report in, and then you can report them, and then Amazon will remove them as long as they are violating your rights, right? Your trademark, your patent, any of that good stuff. Now, when you first get started on Brand Registry, what you want to do is click this button that says Enroll a Brand. So you do need a trademark for Amazon to trust you. So click Enroll a Brand. Once you enroll a brand and you have a trademark, then Amazon's going to automatically respect you more as a seller and give you access to all of these benefits that I just spoke about. If you don't have a trademark, then everything that I just said goes out the door. So Amazon puts trademarks on top tier. So make sure you get one, right? We can do it for you. You can hire an attorney. You can try to do it yourself, but you just need a trademark, right? So a lot of different benefits here on there. And then what we want to do is also check out, once you're enrolled, is giving yourself brand registered access to your selling account. So you click manage selling roles and you can give your selling account full brand access as the brand owner. Again, these are separate platforms. Brand Registry is separate than Amazon Seller Central. So once you're enrolled and you have that trademark, make sure that you connect your Amazon Seller Central account to your brand. So that way you pretty much are considered the brand owner in Amazon's eyes, and you'll get better support as well. There's also Brand Registry support here. So you can contact brand support, and they're more powerful than just regular Amazon Seller Central support, right? So if we go down more benefits just to look at how this works. So enroll your brand in Amazon Brand Registry, and it does have a lot of different benefits. So they also give 10% back on branded sales. So 10% back on your first $50,000 in sales. Why Amazon Brand Registry, convert more customers, measure your success, enroll your brand. So just so many different other benefits that you can have just by using Amazon Brand Registry. And it kind of just goes through a lot of these if you can dive in and look into it. But if you just want to focus on a few, the biggest is going to be being able to report fakes and showing Amazon that you're the brand owner. So if you want to update your images, you'll just tell Amazon, hey, I'm the brand owner. Then Amazon will update your images right away and they can remove fakes for you. So there's a lot of different benefits, right? You can go through one step at a time, but the report of violation is by far one of the most powerful, right? And of course, right into Amazon, here's all the analytics, brand builder stage. You can see your conversion rate, repeat customer sales, brand awareness, improve your consideration, recommended actions, increase your conversion rate. So many different things that you can do into here, and just take it one step at a time. But enrolling in this program does make or break your Amazon experience. So that's kind of the gist of Brand Registry. Told you what it is, all the benefits. Now get started, get your trademark and enroll it. And if you're having trouble with sales at all, go to the link in our description. You can actually go directly to our website. What we're going to do is give you a free listing audit and tell you what to do to improve your sales. You fill this out, we'll look at all of your top competitors, and we'll tell you how much money they're making per month and top improvements you can actually make right now on your listing to improve your listing and improve your sales. Having an expert do a free audit of your listing is only a benefit for you, and it's a win-win for us as well. So that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links are right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full account management. We're going to be monitoring your listings and making sure there's no fakes. If there are fakes, we're going to be reporting them. We're going to be running your ads, customer service, dealing with Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.